Welcome to our geometry series. Today, we are exploring cylinders. You have probably seen these shapes everywhere, from soda cans to batteries. In this lesson, we will understand exactly what defines a cylinder and how to calculate its properties. So, what exactly is a cylinder? In geometry, a cylinder is a three-dimensional solid. Its most defining feature is that it has two identical, parallel circular bases. These two circles are connected by a curved surface. To work with cylinders, you need to know two main measurements. First is the radius, represented by the letter R, which is the distance from the center of the base to the edge. Second is the height, represented by the letter H, which is the perpendicular distance between the top and bottom bases. Not all cylinders stand straight up. A right circular cylinder has an axis that is perpendicular to the base, meaning it stands at a 90-degree angle. An oblique cylinder leans over, so its axis is not perpendicular to the base, but the bases remain parallel. If you were to cut open a cylinder and lay it flat, you would see its net. It consists of two circles, which are the bases, and one large rectangle. Interestingly, the length of this rectangle is actually equal to the circumference of the circular base. Calculating the total surface area involves adding the areas of all the parts. You take the area of the two circular bases, which is 2 pi r squared, and add it to the curved surface area, which is 2 pi rh. This simplifies to the formula shown here. The volume measures how much space is inside the cylinder. To find it, you simply multiply the area of the circular base by the height. The formula is volume equals pi times radius squared times height. Let's try a problem. Suppose we have a cylinder with a radius of 3 centimeters and a height of 5 centimeters. We plug these numbers into our volume formula. Squaring the radius gives us 9, and multiplying everything together gives us a volume of approximately 141.3 cubic centimeters. Cylinders are incredibly common in everyday life. Standard soda cans are cylinders engineered to hold pressure. Batteries are cylinders containing chemical energy. Even candles are often cylindrical to burn evenly. To wrap up, remember that a cylinder is defined by its two parallel circular bases. Keep these three formulas in mind for your exams: the total surface area, the volume, and the curved surface area. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.